Now let's join our beaded earrings to actually earring, so which is this bead. How I'm gonna do this, it's actually making bead through, oh sorry, not bead, thread through a couple times, so make a knot actually. So you even could do this like somewhere like here, but yeah, we're also gonna need, like, it's good to do on the flat surface. Like one knot and another knots. Usually 3 is more than enough. Three knots are there. So 3 knots are there. What else I prefer to do to be 100% sure that it will be firm in the end. So getting my beading thread through this bead. So right here on one side, then thread from another side, getting through the same bead on another direction. Here we are, and then making our beading thread through the earring again, and making couple more knots. Again, I prefer doing 3. Let's make 1, 2, 3. So when we're happy with our firm end, we're gonna cut it with scissors. So left like really short ends like this. Close, so not so much. I need threads left there, and grabbing our matches. Getting to our end, which is this one. Oh, all good, and then to another one. Yeah. Be careful when touching, it could be hot. That's all. We cut the ends, we did our attachment, so this is our earring. So we need to do the same for our another earring. So this. Another key point is to make our necklace or bracelet where the end seam we're gonna attach will be slightly different. So how we're gonna do this? First of all, measure that you're happy with the length for your bracelet or for your necklace. So this is the necklace. I made exactly the same pattern as you see. So, and this is my ends. There are really short left. Here, let's say I'm gonna do with this white bead in the end. It's okay. We have, if you remember, this 3 important things for our bracelet and necklace. This one, we're gonna start with this. Let's put these 2 away. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna make both of these ends together and taking them through this hole on our metal seam. Okay. So what we're gonna do with this wonderful metal seam, we grab our one end, taking through the hole which is here, Then we make 3 knots. Then let's take one of our beading thread through the white bead, which is this one. Then another beading thread we're gonna take through this hole in the middle of our metal seam and through white bead. Make 3 knots on the other side. Let me put it a little bit down. It would be much easier for me to make a knot because ends are quite short. 2 and 3. Okay, so then both of the ends, we're grabbing them together, we're taking them through this main hole on our metal seam. Now they're both inside. We're making 3 more knots. Let's do it. It's just for people who are really cautious, as I am. So if it's your thing, so just add as much knots as possible, just to make sure it's firm, it's okay. But again, if you just cut somewhere in the middle with the scissors, so it's probably not gonna last longer. So I made 3 knots here as well. Let's cut the thread, leaving really short ends, grabbing matches, and just put them and another one. So it's okay. Then we not need to put them really like so close. For example, this, as you can see, is quite long. We just close this metal seam this way, and it will hide all our ends. If not, for example, like here, this one, you can cut it up. This is what we get so far. Then, if you remember, we have this circle, metal circle. If you are happy to do with your hands, do with your hands. If you need a metal tools, please add like metal tools. So what we're gonna do, we just open this metal ring in this way, get through this hole on our metal seam, which already attached to our bracelet or necklace, grab the hook and also put it on this metal seam, and then join them together. Again, I am okay to do this with my nails, fingers, so if you need a metal seam, just do it with your metal seam. This is a metal seam you can use. You can find it in different sizes. So let me do all of this again. So our end, our hook, and then we need to close this gap on our ring. So let me get it. Oh, wow. It's always like this when you want to show something. So we join them in this way. So to make it just a normal ring, and then you can do like slightly on both sides. Yeah. Thank you for focusing. So, and this is how we attach our end or finish our necklace. So this is another important part. And actually answer a question, how are you gonna attach with this hook your necklace. So this is the end of your necklace. This is the hook. You just opening hook slightly, and then your end of flower, taking it through and close. Voila! And this is your lovely necklace. Love! This will look like a heart.